Good afternoon, D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, student meteorologist. We have an update at 3:30 p.m. We're taking a look at Hurricane Earl as it's approaching the Outer Banks of North Carolina. This is the latest satellite image here, and let's take a look for 1 second. You can see it has that northerly movement. If it made a direct north movement from now on, it would be right on Cape Hatteras. You can see in our last few frames we had a little bit of a wobble to the west, and then it's going back on more of a northerly heading. One thing with this hurricane, the winds are going to expand. It goes out 200 miles it goes out 200 miles with tropical storm force winds, and it goes out almost 100 miles now with hurricane force winds. When you get to westerlies, it's going to expand this storm, so you're going to get more tropical storm force winds over a larger area, thus the tropical storm warnings being in effect from Virginia, North Carolina border straight up through New Jersey, and thus not. This will be starting some major effects probably around the 6 p.m. hour tonight. Like I said, I do not see any easterly movement at all in this satellite picture, and that's been the trend for the last 5-6 hours. Here is the radar image from Morehead City. You can see that we're getting the eye. You can see we're in this area right here. The eye is starting to become visible on radar, and you can see that the eye is moving directly north. So if we move this directly north, it's going to be really close, within probably 30 miles of Cape Hatteras. You can also see the first feeder bands coming in here to near Kerr Lake, Durham, Raleigh. This is a little bit of a mixture of the moisture moving in and the daytime heating, but this is a part of Hurricane Earl indirectly, and these could move towards Dansville and Martinsville. I won't be surprised if we see some showers possibly get as far west as the Roanoke Valley as this storm gets closer to the coast. So the main rain, I would say 3 hours out, we get the main area moving into like Morehead City, Cape Hatteras area, and then moving north. So definitely keep an eye on it here. We're going to keep updating you here at liveweatherblogs.com with any of the latest information. D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com.